How to remove red cross mark from folders and icons in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove red cross mark from folders and icons in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The red cross mark on folders and icons in Windows 10 or 11 usually indicates issues with OneDrive syncing or the corrupted files. And here's how you can fix it. First of all, restart your Windows Explorer. For that, you have to open Task Manager in your device. Click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Task Manager and open it up. After that, here, find the Windows Explorer. After that, right click on it and then you have to select the restart option. After that, what you have to do is you have to go to your OneDrive settings. Here, if you open your File Explorer, under your left hand side there you'll find OneDrive option. Right click on it and here go to show more options. If you're not able to find the settings option right here, you can access your OneDrive settings to the toolbar. So you can close it, hit over your toolbar. Here you'll have this OneDrive option on your bottom right corner. Right click on it, head towards the settings. Once you land under your settings, if you have linked any of your account or if you have added an account, under this account option, click on account and here you have to click on Unlink this PC and sign in again. After that, you can click on sync now to update your files. Now you can close it. You can refresh your device and if you head back to your File Explorer, you will not be able to find the cross marks in your folders or icons. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.